Madagascar's traditional combat sport, Morengy, is reclaiming national attention as organizers, fighters, and fans gathered in the capital, Antananarivo, to celebrate and elevate this centuries-old martial art. Rooted in the island's west coast and dating back to the 17th century, Morengy began as a form of war training and a rite of passage for young men. Characterized by bare-handed combat with fabric-wrapped fists, the sport is known for its raw, unfiltered intensity, often lacking formal rules, and with victories decided by the roaring approval of the crowd rather than official judges. In recent years, the tradition had largely remained confined to the rural north and northwest of Madagascar, where variations such as Morengy Iarivo, a form without kicking, still thrive. But now, a new movement is underway to bring Morengy into the national spotlight. At a packed tournament in Antananarivo, fighters from across the country showcase their diverse techniques, blending ancestral combat rituals with modern athleticism. Fans like Seth Rabamanansoa shared their excitement over the evolving styles and the unity this cultural practice brings among the youth.
I'm interested to see what's being done, what Morengy will be like in 2025. That's where I can see what developments are taking place, because there are young people from the north of Madagascar here. They told me that there's Morengy Iarivo, and they're Morengy with kicks. That's why I come. It interests me.
Meanwhile, organizers such as Jeffrey Gaspar are leading the push to professionalize the sport. His vision includes a national federation, standardized rules, and improved medical support to ensure fighter safety and long-term sustainability. Morengy has real potential, he said, stressing that this ancestral sport deserves a place on the national stage.
Faire connaître le Morengy dans tout Madagascar.
We aim to make Morengy known throughout Madagascar at national level with this kind of event, because if it isn't, it will always remain a traditional rural sport where minorities will really enjoy it, whereas there is a national public that will be able to enjoy it, and I think Morengy will be able to go further. Morengy has real potential.
Mais il y a vraiment un potentiel dans le Morengy.
From crowd chants and pre-fight taunts to dramatic knockdowns and heartfelt embraces between fighters and their fans. At one point, a victorious fighter jumped into the crowd, collecting donations in a long-standing tradition that fuses community spirit with celebration. Through initiatives like these, Morengy is evolving, not just as a combat sport, but as a symbol of Madagascar's living heritage, national identity, and future pride.